Good afternoon. This is meteorologist Ted Keller with your update, severe weather update in this case. What you're seeing here is a tornado watch that was put into effect for northwest Arkansas and for much of south central and eastern Oklahoma. There is the watch area here closest to home. Does not include Springfield or any part of southwest Missouri, but you know how that goes, in and close to the watch area. So this is a little zoomed in view of the exact counties. I'll take the fill off. So it's outlined right there. So Berryville's included in this, as is Fayetteville. Benton, Washington, Madison, and Carroll counties are the ones that are included in this tornado watch area. So let's zoom out here. I'll leave the outline up there, and first we'll take a look at the satellite imagery, see what's going on here. What we see is a mixture of an environment which is a little bit capped to convection, means there's a warm air layer. Usually you see these streets of clouds indicating that a cap might be in place. Now these can be broken by a front usually, and what the current thinking is that this area here, even though it doesn't show a single stitch of echo activity on radar yet, will be the area that develops, and if it does, thunderstorms that form in this area would take off with the prevailing wind, something like that. So it remains to be seen whether these will hold on to their severe bite or not more into the Ozarks, let's say northern Arkansas or even extreme south central Missouri. They may not. Now the only other issue is that will other storms form in this area out ahead of the watch, and that's going to be harder to do because the cap is a little harder to break in that area. Let's take a look at how unstable the atmosphere is. So the most unstable air here, we're talking about capes of about 3,000. That's pretty unstable air, is right in that corridor there. If we look at a couple of other things, for instance, like the convective inhibition or the ability to break the cap, that looks a little weak and almost non-existent in this area here shaded by gray. So that's probably some frontal activity forcing along the front. And then we also have the strong tornado parameter, which again is showing up very high here. Makes me wonder if we can get an initiated cell somewhere in there, a lone cell, that may not be tapped into. That's a combination of looking at the low-level winds, shear, and unstable air in those areas. So again, you know, it's something to be watched. Whether it's something that we need to really worry about here over south central Missouri remains to be seen over the next couple of hours. So this is the first recording of probably one more at least that I'll have for you later on this afternoon concerning any severe weather updates I need to pass along to the Ozarks.